Square body metal dash removal. I've seen a lot of people come in here and cut out right here and take it out that way. I'm gonna drill out all these spot welds and try to separate it like that. And when I put the new one back in, just fill these spot welds back up with the welder. Weld it back together. It's 4 bolts, 2 on each side, 1 right there, 1 down there. These spot welds, and then you've got 1 bracket right here. That's all that holds it in. This is the spot weld cutter I'm going to use. I'm going to drill me a pilot hole first in every single one of the welds, and then I'll run this through them. Got all my pilot holes drilled. Fixing to cut them out. Got them all drilled out. These spot weld cutters from Harbor Freight are junk. So I ended up getting a 3/8 drill bit for the second half and tried to just drill everything but the last piece of metal, which is the dash, and it actually ended up working better. It separated a whole lot easier with the drill bit versus the spot weld cutter. So when I take the dash out of the other cab, I'm going to use a drill bit, not a spot weld cutter. Got the old dash out. Nothing's cut, just holes to fill. I'll go get the other dash out of the truck and get it in here. Got the dash painted, welded back in. All those spot welds I cut out, I just put vice grips on each side, filled the holes back in from the back all the way back out to the front. Get all the welds cleaned up, start painting the cab.